Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Chatbox AI chatbot assistant. So first of all you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see here this is Chatbot, so simply tap here continue button, and you can multiple possibilities, you can tap continue and get started. So it's not totally free, but you can chat, you can see here popular AI image, Gemini 24 Flash, GPT 5, and you can explore more here like by chat deep search. So if you tap here on any option, then you will get the specific task, and this is the normal things like you can chat here, and you can select models through this way. Gemini Plus, this is free, and you can see you can write new chat here. Also voice chat, you can upload image, file, photo, and text. This is the prompt, this is ready-made prompt. You can see here solve equation. If you tap here, then you can see like you can get favorite, social, romance yourself. So all the thing is available here, you can check it out. And this is really cool. If you tap here, this is pro feature, like you have to buy the premium feature if you want to get all accesses. So there are some things is free, and you can see this is assistant, like you will get help at any creative thinker, hot prompts, storytelling I showed you earlier. So actually this way you can use this app.